Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grad Night 2011. I'm your host, Kirtan Akasi.
I'm Nihil Muhammad.
I'm Siddharth Shah.
And we have a great show for you guys tonight.
Thank you. We're gonna have a great night for you guys. A bunch of great dances, a bunch of great singing.
Before we start with the entertainment, I'd like to request Bobby sir to speak to the Sem 6 batch.
It's March.
No, December batch.
Biochemistry.
Good evening, everybody. Don't think this is a class. This is just simple. Talking about our batch, which is going on December 2011, 6th semester batch. Last week, I was sitting in my cabin when Devansh called me. I thought maybe why is he calling me again? Is he calling to say just hi? Or something he has doubts about? Or something that I've told wrong, he wants a clarification and saying that, sir, you said wrong. With these things in mind, I just pick up a call. Devansh, what happened? This was my first question. Rather than saying hi, the first question was, Devansh, what happened? Then Devansh's response was, hi, sir. Then obviously I had to say hi to Devansh. Followed by Devansh said, sir, would you like to talk for our batch? My first question was, are you sure? Are you very sure that you want me to speak for your batch? Because I know I'm a little bit more strict in class. I have scolded a multiple lot of students that I'm seeing sitting here. So maybe I was thinking that maybe none of the students would like me that much for a speech. So I again reconfirmed with Devansh that, do you still want me to speak? He said yes. And I really thank the Sem 6 2011 batch, December batch, for giving me the opportunity to speak here. Now, first things first, congratulations to all of you. You all have done a great job for clearing out from this college, and I'm very proud of you guys. Not for that matter, only December batch, the other batch also. Now, there are few fond memories for me and for the department as and well. The entire department, we used to talk about few facts that I would like to share with you here today. There were 3 people in the December batch who was very good writers. They used to write very nicely in the class. Whatever you say, no matter how fast you say. Now those who attended my class, they know I am fast in class. I speak a lot faster. There are only 3 people who could manage to write down anything and everything that any teacher said. For that matter, we can say only biochemistry because we only say about biochemistry. Now, can any guesses who are those 3? Yes, Angela, Abhirami, and Vijayanti. Hats off to you guys. I don't know how do you manage it, but hats off to you guys. Sometimes we decided that after you get on with your 4th semester, you get over with it, we'll take all your notes, compile a book called Biochemistry for the 4th Sem for KMC IC students, written by Angela, Abhirami, and Vijayanti, compiled by the Biochem department. This is no small job, a very big job that they have done. Somehow, I don't know how. I know that I won't be able to do any such job as they did. Now next, what I wanted to share is one particular student of mine, I won't name the student. One day while I was taking a class, I was speaking something regarding human genetics, chromosomes. It was a funny fact about how male ego and female ego goes about. All of the students were laughing. I don't know. I saw everybody laughing. I thought, okay, fine. They are all laughing. That means they are enjoying the lecture. After I finished my lecture, I saw still one student was still going on laughing. I don't know, what is it? Now, what did I say? Did I say anything funny? I just stood in front of him or her. Stood there and thinking, why is she laughing now? Then I see a small nudge. The next student sitting, nudging the other student, telling him or her to wake up. Then I realized, oh my God, this student was sleeping with a smiley face. That was one of the best experiences that I have seen any student. Sitting in class, sleeping with a smiley face. That was amazing, guys. That was amazing. No. Names, such names are not to be disclosed. It's okay. Later. No, let it be there. The next thing I remember is Vivek. Vivek Reddy. 1 year back, he has just finished his exams. It was one such grad night, and we were all having food. He suddenly came and asked, "Sir, was this question correct?" Then one of my colleagues, Abhirup, asked, "Are you serious? Still now?" But that didn't persist that boy. Vivek still asked the question. His main thing was whether he has answered it correctly or not. That was his main concern, whether he has answered it correctly or not. If not, what would be the answer? There are still many more incidents with your batch, which I would like to share, not here, but maybe personally with you all guys. What is important is, I am a very new in teaching. I've just completed, maybe this is the 3rd year going on of my teaching students. Now, the best moment according to me for a teacher comes that when he explains something in a class and the student reciprocates it with his questions, his doubts. His doubts basically means that at least some of it has gone into his mind, or at least I in some way has been able to provoke him in some or the other way to understanding the topic. Now, when I started taking classes for your batch, it was approximately 1 year of my completion of study teaching. At that point, your batch, some of you have started questioning things. I felt very elated with that I in some way have done something that has made you understand something, which was in fact a great thing for me. That, I say, would in long run would help me in some way or the other to becoming a better teacher than what I am. I would always fondly remember you guys for all those things. You guys in some way or the other have helped me to evolve. Maybe not directly, maybe indirectly, I don't know how. But you guys have obviously helped me in some way or the other for becoming a better teacher, if I can say so. There are people still sitting here who are my teachers, who have taught me, much more senior than me. It will take a long time for me to reach to at least half of what they are. And feedbacks from you, questions from students like you, would help me a lot. I'm specifying this why, because your batch was probably the first batch that made me realize all this. And I would always remember your batch for all these things. Thank you, all of you. Next thing what I wanted to say is Devansh Goel. Devansh Goel. We still remember Devansh standing on the stage with a flag of KMCIC. And me and my colleague, Mr. Vijay, would give him missed calls. His condition would be really nice to see that he would be thinking, who is calling me now? Why is he calling me now? Whoever is calling, what is the important reason? And you would see him shaking his leg like this. What is going on with my leg? What is happening in the cell? Then when he would come down from the stage, then whenever he would come down from the stage, his first thing would be, he would come here. Sir, did you call me? Then our statement would be, no, we didn't call you. When did we call you? We were just trying to see whether our cell was working or not. And he would like, sir, aap log bahut pareshan karte ho. That would be his statement. Now what I wanted to see lastly is, good luck guys, all of you. If you have done from here whatever you have achieved, I'm sure anywhere on world you can do anything. That much confidence I have on you guys. Whatever you have achieved here, you can definitely go and do anything and whatever you wish anywhere on earth. Do not doubt yourself for a single minute. No matter if you do not feel like, okay, it's not going my way, but you still can. Lastly, but not the most important thing is, congratulations, all the best. Become very great doctors so that we teachers become proud to say that, okay, this was our student. He is such a big doctor now. We have taught him in some way or the other. Maybe the contribution, however small it is, we have done a little bit of contribution to his education. And congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Bobby sir.